Taking a look at our satellite right now, you can see all the moisture coming into our area. It's just pumping in from the west.
So as we put it all into motion for you, starting at about 11 on Tuesday, you'll notice that high pressure not giving us a break at all, bringing the heat. But later in the afternoon, notice how some clouds do roll into the area, and that's why I've got that 10% chance of rain in the forecast. Here's why we don't want to let our guard down. Look at this deep layer of moisture sitting across the area. To the south of us, we got a little bit more action coming behind that from the west, a little more as well. So we're going to be in it for tonight. It's like these storms have, I don't know, Energizer batteries or something. They just keep going and going. You will notice that we don't have much activity. Looking at a high temperature today in El Paso of 49, Las Cruces 48.
It's been a very, very busy night over here. Let's get right over to WeatherNets right now and take a look at some of those winds out there. 21-mile-per-hour winds right now at Bravo Chevrolet Cadillac in Las Cruces. We will see a couple clouds in the morning. Eventually, though, they will burn off and leave us to have a very pleasant Easter, except it's going to be on the windy side. Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but at least you'll have some sunshine, eh? Can't have it all.
Here's a look at your 5-day forecast. 49 for today. Oh yeah, bundle up, wrap the presents and yourself. Monday is when we'll start to notice a couple changes happening in the area. That brown line that you see right there, that's actually a trough or a wind maker that's going to be moving across the area. Won't really feel the effects of it Monday except for a couple clouds. But then by Tuesday, I'd like to call that the game changer because we're going to see some changes, windy. So as we're looking at what we can expect for tonight, the answer is a little bit more rain. 20% chance as more moisture from the east keeps pushing in. We're going to get pounded with moisture from the east all this week. So a 20% chance of rain tonight as we're going to sleep under a thick blanket of clouds. On Wednesday, a 40% chance of showers. You notice those clouds hanging over the area. And one of the reasons why we're going to keep these rain chances on the increase is because of Tropical Storm Alex. Right now, it's going at about 70 miles per hour. It just needs to pick up 4 more miles per hour to become a Category 1 hurricane. So it's something that we're keeping a very close eye on here in the K-Fox studios. So as we look at Alex, we see that it's slated to become that Category 1 hurricane sometime pretty soon, and it's going to slam, looks like, into the Brownsville, Corpus Christi area, and then slowly move its way into Mexico and break down to a low-pressure system. Well, as it does that, we're looking at it possibly kicking up some moisture our way as it churns in more inland. It's something that we're keeping our eye on. Because of that, over the weekend, we're looking at rain chances up to 50%. So for tonight, 68 in El Paso with a 20% chance of rains. Your winds out of the east at about 15 miles per hour.
What we're looking at is this massive, look at that, massive low pressure system. It's a storm system that's slowly making its way from the west over to the east. And yeah, we're going to get a piece of the action ourselves starting tonight. It's not due here until Saturday, but for tonight, we'll watch those clouds start to roll in, and that will actually give us a 20% chance at showers tonight alone. And then for your Saturday, we'll get a little bit of breeze effect as that system comes through, and we'll also get that 20% shot at showers for your Saturday. You can see a lot of the moisture is pretty much to the north of us, but that doesn't mean that we can't get that chance of rain, so that's what we've got, that 20% in there. And on your Sunday, it's the holiday. We want to know what that's going to be like, right? Well, we will see a couple clouds in the morning. Eventually, though, they will burn off and leave us to have a very pleasant Easter, except it's going to be on the windy side. Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but at least you'll have some sunshine, eh? Can't have it all. Well, here are some things that we're keeping our eye on just to keep in mind. 20% chance of rain, breezy on your Saturday once that system comes through, and no, your eyes are not deceiving you. A chance of some mountain snow because of a push of cooler air that we're going to get in with the storm system. So in the mountains, possibly some snow this Saturday. For your Sunday, sunny and windy. For tonight in El Paso, 50 degrees, 20% chance at showers, and you'll see those clouds there as well. 46 in Las Cruces tonight, winds anywhere from 6 to 21 miles per hour. Here's a look at your 48-hour forecast in El Paso. Upper 60s. Yeah, we're going to cool off a little bit to below average heat there. On the breezy side, 20% chance at showers for your Sunday. The sunshine makes a comeback, 72 degrees, so pretty pleasant, but on the breezy to windy side as well. In the Las Cruces area, 67 for you on your Saturday. Partly cloudy skies at 20% 30% chance at showers for your Sunday, getting back to breezy conditions, upper 60s and sunshine.
The system that brought us that rain and snow yesterday has finally moved off to the east of us. It's over now, giving our friends in Dallas a little bit of trouble.
And another quick look at the storm outside right now. Getting over to radar, I am tracking the showers at 10:03 at San Miguel, 10:16 at Mesilla, 10:18 at I-10 and I-25, and 10:20 at NMSU. Quick look at temperatures tonight. El Paso 37, Las Cruces 36. Well, here's a look at Monday. You see those clouds staying with us, that flow bringing in more moisture and a 30% chance at showers for your Monday. So maybe you'll be using those windshield wipers on Monday morning.